everyone. In today's video, I'm going to go over my new holistic health lifestyle planner, and I'm also going to explain that I am adding this planner to my course. So I've got a course called Holistic Lifestyle Basics, and the thing is, I created this course, earlier in 2020. It's now 2021, but it hasn't been quite a year yet. But anyway, what I did was I put a couple of different planners that I've made into that course. But when I created this planner right here, I knew that this is the one that belonged in that course because this one is a expanded, improved, updated version of the stuff that comes in the Holistic Lifestyle Basics. So first I'm going to go over what this planner is, and then I'll show you the course and then how that fits in with that. So this is a printable like everything else that I make, and it has everything that you need to go from a complete beginner to living a healthy lifestyle that gets results. So in this planner, you will see there's 20 pages. It's a digital download. You can print as many pages as you want. There are health assessments, resources, and planner pages. So here are the instructions. It's less than 10 steps to do this. It's a step-by-step guide to creating a new, healthy, holistic lifestyle. This is designed for someone who's beginning or someone who's, you might know some information, but you haven't actually put it into use yet. This is a better version of the step-by-step guide to get you started, better than the other ones. So if you're new to my channel, if you are on my email list, you might have downloaded the free holistic health printables that I have. There was 5 of them. Well, this is a way better version because this is 20 pages and this is expanded versions of all of the things that are in that. So you get a physical assessment, mental assessment, and spiritual assessment. In the original version, there was only one page that had all of them on one page. So this is a better way to do it. And this also will help you determine which section you need help with, whether or not you need help with physical, mental, or spiritual the most. And that would be where you would start. So then you also would track your results, get your score, and see where you are, and then discover which area should be your priority. And then you go over the suggestion pages. So there's over 60 different suggestions, and they're split up by the 3 categories, as you can see. And then this also includes 3 planner pages. So there is a monthly planner, weekly planner, and daily planner pages. These are undated, so you can print them as many as you need them. And of course, you're going to need more of them. So that's why they're undated, so you can fill in the date yourself, fill in the time yourself. And basically, you're going to fill these in with the information from the suggestion pages. It's so step by step. And then there are over 70 clickable links, and these go to holistic health resources. These are articles, courses, products, websites, etc. These are organized by physical, mental, and spiritual health, and then each page is organized by individual subjects too. And then it also includes a cover page for your binder. I really like putting these in there because I encourage people to use binders for all of my products. Not only is it easier to organize, but it's just easier to use. So it just is nice to have a cover that will go along with it. So here's the course. Well, this is what I'm just going to show you what's all in the course in case you don't know about it yet. All right, so the first lecture is what is holistic health and why is it important? Then you have a lecture on food, one on sleep, one on exercise, one on the environment, one on nature, one on aligning to nature's cycles, one on herbs and spices, and then mental and emotional health, spiritual health. And then, of course, you get my book, which is called Living a Holistic Lifestyle. And that is a PDF, so it's obviously not the physical, it's just a PDF version. So then you get to the printables, and this is where I've added the information in here for the Holistic Health Lifestyle Planner. So that's all in there, along with the Holistic Lifestyle printables, which were originally in there. Those are like the original version of the assessment and planning your goals, and then the checklists for the things that you have to do every day, which are still useful, so those are still part of the course, but I think the Holistic Lifestyle Planner is a lot more comprehensive. So then you also, when you take this course, you also get my Healthy Eating Planner, my Healthy Lifestyle Planner, my Mental Health Workbook, and the Spiritual Health Workbook. So these are all separate things, and these are different lengths. So some of them are just different amounts of pages. And so that's pretty much it. I'm going to go back to this screen here and show you the cover one more time, just to show you what this is. If you missed the beginning of this video or if you weren't paying attention, this is the Holistic Health Lifestyle Planner that is on my Etsy page, and this is also free when you enroll in Holistic Lifestyle Basics. So currently Udemy has my course set at $44, but you know how Udemy is. Sometimes they'll just randomly decide to put your course on sale. So when it goes on sale, it can be, I think it's about $9. So it's worth checking out to see when, if that's going to go on sale or not. Well, actually, you don't really know. I don't even know. So it's just kind of, how bad do you want to wait for it to go on sale, basically. But for $44, you get a lot of good information, and it's almost too much information if you're a beginner. You might seem overwhelming, but that's why I include the planners and the workbooks, because they kind of break it down into steps, and they make it, especially this one right here, breaks it down into steps. I mean, this one right here is really all you need. The other ones are more of like supplements if you need help in those areas. So this is it, and I will leave you a link down in the description of this video, whether or not you want to buy this or whether or not you want to actually enroll in the course. I'll leave both of the links down below so that you can make that choice yourself and choose which one is the best one for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video.